Hey Pookies, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this skull granny square look like this. It's the exact same thing with the same dimensions, but now the skull is facing diagonal so you can use it for diagonal projects. This video is a bonus of my original granny square with the skull facing perpendicular, and the skull is exactly the same. So in order to make this diagonal one, you'll have to watch the original video until the timestamp on the screen, and I'll meet you back here once the skull is ready. Alright, let's start the square by making a slip knot. You cross over just like you did for the magic circle, and again you go under and over, but this time you just pull through. And pull it tight onto your hook. Now this time we're going to cast on to the second stitch down the skull's mouth. When you hold the skull upside down, it's the one directly to the left of the stitch marker. To cast on, just insert your hook into that stitch, pull up a loop, and then slip stitch it through the slip knot on your hook. Let's chain 4. This counts as 1 treble crochet. Mark the top chain if you like. Now into that same stitch that we just casted onto, create another treble crochet. Chain 4. Now in the next stitch, make a treble crochet increase. So 2 treble crochets in that one stitch. There's 1 treble crochet. And there's the second one. Now in that final stitch in the skull's mouth, put 1 double crochet. And as you can see here, we already have a corner. Next you want to work into this stitch right here that's in the corner of the eye, and you want to put 1 treble crochet. Now put a treble crochet in the next stitch, and then a double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that. Now we're already going to make another corner, so make a treble crochet increase, chain 4, and then a treble crochet increase in the next stitch. Now in the next 4 stitches we want to place 1 double crochet, then in the 5th stitch place 1 treble crochet. By then you'll have reached another corner, so do the usual treble crochet increase, chain 4, treble crochet increase. I'll meet you at the end of the 3rd corner. Now we've just done the 3rd corner, and the next 5 stitches are as follows. A treble crochet in the first 2, and then a double crochet in the last 3. And now you know the drill for the corners: treble crochet increase, chain 4, treble crochet increase. Alright, and now we are on the last side of the inner square. Place a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now in these final 2 stitches of the skull's head underneath the eye, place 2 treble crochets. So now we've reached the other side of the mouth where the marked stitch is, and into that marked stitch you want to place a double crochet. Maybe a bit of a tight fit, just take it slow here. Once you've done that, the inner square is finished, and you can go ahead and slip stitch at the top of the chain 4 you did at the start. This is the stitch that you marked. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and cut your yarn and finish off. And round 3 is finished with your skull facing diagonally. Now the final square is actually the exact same as the original pattern, so please go back to the original video and skip to the timestamp that's on the screen to complete the pattern. Thanks for watching this little bonus variation, and I'll see you back in the original video.